welcome to Pulsar's Career Point. This is a video on haloalkane covering the preparation of haloalkane from alkane. आमे alkane लो किभଳି haloalkane preparation करिबा आमे ए भिडियो रे जानिबा. Let us come for the preparation of alkane from alkyl halide by free radical substitution reaction. What do you mean by free radical substitution reaction? The chemical reaction in which an atom or a group of atoms of the compound is substituted by a free radical. Then it is known as free radical substitution reaction. Free radical substitution reaction द्वारा हमें प्रथम halogenation करिबा. Come for halogenation when alkane reacts with halogen X2. Then one of the hydrogen atom of alkane is substituted by halogen and we will get corresponding alkyl halide. Generally, when an alkane reacts with halogen, then corresponding alkyl halide is formed by the substitution of halogen atom in place of hydrogen atom, or we may write by substitution of hydrogen atom by a halogen atom. गोटे केमिकल रिएक्शन रे जते बेले alkane halogen सहित रिएक्शन करिवो सेत हमको corresponding alkyl halide टे मिलिवो. केमिति सेटे alkane रो H substitute हबो by a halogen atom. Come for the chlorination. आमे जनरल halogenation कथा कहिलु. Whenever alkane reacts with chlorine, then hydrogen atom of alkane is substituted by chlorine and we will get corresponding alkyl chloride. When alkane is treated with chlorine in the presence of diffuse sunlight or HNu, then chloro derivative of alkane, or you can say alkyl chloride, is formed. This reaction continues till the removal of all the replaceable hydrogen atoms from the compound. Compound रे जतक hydrogen atom थिबो सबोडिक replace नहला पर्यंत ए chlorination continue करथुबो. Let us come for an example. From the example we can clear off it. Whenever methane reacts with chlorine, then what we will get? Methyl chloride is obtained. But the reaction doesn't stop here. The reaction continues. Again, methyl chloride reacts with chlorine to give dichloromethane. And dichloromethane reacts with chlorine to give trichloromethane or chloroform. Again, chloroform reacts with chlorine to give tetrachloromethane or carbon tetrachloride. In this way, the reaction continues till all the hydrogen atoms of the alkane is substituted by chlorine. Similarly, we can go for bromination also. Bromination is just like chlorination. एटी हम description लिखि देबा. When methane reacts with chlorine in the presence of diffuse sunlight, then methyl chloride is formed. If this chlorination continues, then finally carbon tetrachloride is formed. Now let us come for bromination. Whenever alkane reacts with bromine, then corresponding alkyl bromide is formed. In statement, when alkane is treated with bromine in the presence of diffuse sunlight or HNu, then bromo derivative of alkane is formed, or you can say alkyl bromide is formed. This reaction continues till all the replaceable hydrogen atoms are replaced from the compound. Now, let us come for an example. Methane reacts with bromine to give methyl bromide. Again, methyl bromide reacts with bromine to give dibromomethane. Dibromomethane reacts with bromine to give bromoform or tribromomethane. Again, tribromomethane reacts with bromine to give tetrabromomethane or carbon tetrabromide. Now let us come for iodination. Before going to iodination, come for the description. When methane reacts with bromine in the presence of diffuse sunlight, then methyl bromide is formed. If this bromination continues, then finally carbon tetrabromide is formed. Come for iodination. When methane reacts with iodine, then methyl iodide and HI are formed. But this reaction is not similar to chlorination or bromination. Because in case of chlorination and bromination, the reaction is only forward reaction. Here the reaction is very slow and is a reversible process. So what you have to write down, when methane reacts with iodine, then methyl iodide and hydrogen iodide are formed. This reaction is extremely slow and is reversible one. যদি এই রিঅ্যাকশনটি রিভার্সিবল হুଏ তাহলে আমি মিথাইল আয়োডাইড পাইপারিবু কি? Now the question arises, how can we get methyl iodide? If the reverse reaction is cancelled, backward reaction is cancelled, then we can get methyl iodide. So how can we get it? Either methyl iodide ତିଆରି ହେଲା ପରେ ଆମେ ତାକୁ separate କରିବାକୁ ପଡ଼ିବ, or the byproduct HI should be eliminated from the product side. As a result, the backward reaction can be stopped. Let us come how methyl iodide is obtained. However, the reaction can be carried out in the presence of an oxidizing agent such as HiO3 or HNO3, which oxidizes the Hi hydrogen iodide formed into iodine. जो hydrogen iodide form ହେଇଥିବ ତାକୁ ସେ iodine को oxidize कर देଇ परिबो. Thus the reaction can be proceed in forward direction only. Write down this reaction. 1 HiO3 can react with 5 Hi to give 3 I2 and water. এই রিঅ্যাকশনটি को आम जो एनालिसिस कर जानी पारिबु जे HI जेहेतु कंज्यूम्ड हो गला HiO3 द्वारा प्रोडक्ट साइड रे HI को आम एलिमिनेट कर दे पारिबु. प्रोडक्ट साइड रे HI रो कंसंट्रेशन कमिले बैकवर्ड रिएक्शन रेट कमिबो. अगेन এই রিঅ্যাকশন प्रोडक्ट साइड रे आयोडीन इज लिबरेटेड व्हिच फेवर्स द आयोडिनेशन ऑफ alkane. Thus the reverse reaction can be stopped and we will get alkyl iodide from this reaction. Thanks for watching Bhopal Sir's Career Point. Bhopal Sir is with you at your every suggestion and comments. Please like and share this video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel if you are watching it for the first time. Don't forget to hit the bell icon to get timely updation of my new video. Don't hesitate to ask your doubt in comment section. I must